we was discussing the third chapter, that is indentured laborers migration from India, and we reached the up to 19th century. 19th century, what happened, that we are going to see. 19th century indentured has been described as a new system of slavery. So we, in the starting itself, we said like that it is like a slavery system, and here it is given name, started to call it as a new system of slavery. On arrival at plantations, laborers found conditions to be different from what they had imagined. What they got the information from the agent, that was entirely different from what really they saw when they are reaching in the, they are seeing when they are reaching in the plantations. Living and working conditions were harsh, and there even few legal rights. We can say like that there was no legal rights only, and the conditions of living as well as working, it was very harsh or very poor condition or pathetic condition. But workers discovered their own way of surviving. Many of them escaped into the wild. Through, if caught, they faced severe punishment. Others developed new forms of individual and collective self-expression, blending different cultural forms, old and new. Okay, we can see the people when they reach there, they face the different situation or very difficult situation, very troubled situation. That's why what they done in people started to survive in different way. People started to survive in their own way. Some of them, what they are doing, they are escaping from the plantation or in the working place to the wild, or means the forest area, or means the lonely places. And if they are getting catching by somebody, it may be police or means army or the East India Company police, or by the that plantation management itself, they used to get a severe punishment. Second group, what they done, they started to develop a new form of individual as well as collective expression. For example, now we are living in Tamil Nadu, and we know we are Tamilians, and we are having our own celebrations, our own traditions, our own culture like that. And if we are not able to perform, if we are moving from migrating from Tamil Nadu to some other places. For example, myself, I am from Kerala and reached here, and when I am living here, I will try to make my own self identity in a different way, or we will try to get a collective self expression also. Means getting the connection with other Malayalis like that, or making some friends, Tamil Nadu friends, and making the identity like that. So what we are doing for that one individual and collective self expression, for that we are blending different cultures together, cultural forms. We are making the we are giving our sharing our culture, and we are taking some of the cultural activities or part of culture receiving from the new places, like that we are making a new form of culture or blending form of culture. Then what we can see, that is in old and new, means the from which culture I came and what I am receiving here, all together I am making a new culture. And in the Trinidad, the annual Muharram procession was transformed into a righteous carnival called Hosei for Inam Hussain, in which workers of all the races and religion joined. Means the one of the program, that is the Muharram annual procession. And those who I think you people are noticed that the Muharram procession, in that what they are doing, they are beating themselves, they are punishing themselves and making the wounds in the body. That is the specialty of the Muharram procession, and that is they are making a righteous carnival, and the name given like that, Hosei, means the for Inam Hussain, means the one of the person's name, in that his name they are working, and in which workers of all races and religion join, not only the Muslims. And in Muslim itself there are two groups, not only that two groups, all the races as well as religious groups also joined. Similarly, the protest religion of the Pharaonism made famous by the Jamaican Rage Starbomb Marley is also said to reflect social and cultural link with the Indian migrants into the Caribbean. Means those who migrated to Caribbean area, they are making another one function, that is the protest religion function, that also in like that mingling of two cultures. Then chutney music is the popular in Trinidad and Guyana is another creative contemporary expression of the post-endangered experience. Means they are making a new form of music there in the Caribbean islands, and they are given name like that chutney music, and that also that we can see the form of collaboration of different cultures. And these forms of culture fusion are part of the making of the global world where things from different places get mixed, those lose their original characteristics and become something entirely new. So how the global world is forming? Because of the cultural fusion, not only these indentured labors, before itself, because of the we have seen that one in the when the Silk Route was prominent, that time onwards we can see the fusion of cultures. And indentured laborers, they got the means compulsory, they want to live in that particular area to where they went, so no other way to escape from there. So what they are doing, they are trying to cope up with that. For that purpose they are making the fusion of cultures. And when we are making the fusion of culture, what is happening? We will get mixed with other cultures, and the original characteristics normally we will lose it, and we are starting a new life or new culture there. And most indentured workers stayed on after their contracts end, or returned to their homes after a short spell in India. What they are doing after the completion of the contract period, some people they will continue there. They will continue there, or sometimes they are making the stopping of that contract and they are coming back to their villages. Or some of the people, they will come for a couple of days to enjoy with their family members. And congesting there was consequently there are large communities of people of India descent in these countries. Now also we can see in Sri Lanka, when we studied in civics, we have said like that Sri Lankan Indian Tamilians in Sri Lanka. Why? Because of this indentured labor. Not only in Sri Lanka, many other countries also, Malaysia, then Maldives, then Singapore, like that many area we can see Indians, they went there for different types of work. Then have you heard about the Nobel Prize winner writer V.S. Naipaul? Some of you may have followed the exploits of the West Indies cricketer Shivarayan Chandrapal and Ramnaresh Sarwan, because the people, those who are means their parents, when we are hearing like that, some of the scientists or writers, when they are getting some big prizes, we are hearing like that they are originally from India, and they are last 4 generations they are settled there, like that we are hearing like that. Some of the examples it is given. So that stories you have already heard. The next paragraph, from 90s India, means the 20th century, India's nationalist leaders began opposing the system of indentured labor migration as abusive and cruel. The International Congress, and they started to oppose that one, the indentured labours, because it is an abusive one and cruel one. And it is also abolished in 1921. In 1921 also we said like that we can't follow that one, and we abolished that indentured labours. Yet for a number of decades afterwards, descendants of Indian indentured workers, often thought of as a coolies, remained an uneasy minority in the Caribbean islands. Some of the Naipaul early novels capture the sense of loss and alienation. And we can see some of the people still there, means in 1921 we abolished that one, but some of them was captured there itself. they never got chance to come back to India, so they settled there itself. And like that, some of the people's what we can say feeling, or they're thinking about going back to their own country, like that things we can see in the some of the novels of Naipaul and other many other writers also. So we are moving to next topic, that is Indian entrepreneurs abroad. How we was making the market or business in other countries, or even with the East India Company, that we are going to see in next video.